Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Review. Today, we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important for a lot of our viewers: finding the perfect SUV for seniors in 2024. As we age, our needs and priorities change, and having a vehicle that prioritizes comfort, safety, and ease of use becomes paramount. We've curated a list of 6 SUVs that excel in these areas, offering a blend of practicality, reliability, and those thoughtful features that can make a world of difference. Whether you're a senior yourself or helping a loved one find their next car, stick around as we break down the pros and cons of each model. From spacious interiors and advanced safety systems to user-friendly technology and smooth rides, we'll cover it all to help you make an informed decision. So buckle up and let's get started. First up is the 2024 Toyota Highlander, a favorite among families and seniors alike. The Highlander is easy to get in and out of, with doors that open wide and seats positioned at a comfortable height. The seats are incredibly comfortable and supportive, even on longer drives. Visibility is excellent thanks to large windows and slim pillars, crucial for seniors with neck mobility issues. The Highlander comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5+, including automatic emergency braking, lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, and more. The controls are large, clearly labeled, and logically laid out, making it easy to use. The infotainment system is intuitive and user-friendly, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. The ride is smooth and composed, and the cabin is quiet, even at highway speeds. You can have a conversation with your passengers without shouting over road noise. Overall, the Toyota Highlander is an excellent choice for seniors looking for a spacious, comfortable, safe, and easy-to-use SUV. It ticks all the right boxes and then some. Whether you're driving around town or on a long road trip, the Highlander offers a refined and comfortable experience. Its blend of practicality and ease of use makes it a top pick for seniors. Let's move on to our next SUV. Next up, we have the 2024 Honda CR-V, another favorite in the SUV segment. The CR-V offers plenty of space for seniors, especially if you don't regularly carry rear passengers. Hondas are known for their longevity, and the CR-V is no exception. It's incredibly easy to get in and out of, with doors that open wide and seats at a comfortable height. The CR-V's seats are known for their excellent ergonomics, crucial for those who might experience back pain on longer drives. Visibility is excellent, with large windows and slim pillars providing great sight lines. The CR-V's compact size and responsive handling make it easy to drive in city traffic or crowded parking lots. It comes standard with Honda Sensing, a comprehensive suite of safety and driver-assistive technologies. This includes automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. The CR-V consistently ranks among the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class, saving you money at the pump. Overall, the Honda CR-V is a fantastic choice for seniors who prioritize fuel efficiency, reliability, and ease of use. It's a practical and well-rounded SUV that excels in all the areas that matter most. Whether you're driving around town or on a long road trip, the CR-V offers a comfortable and efficient experience. Let's move on to our next SUV. Now, if you're looking for an SUV that can handle anything, the 2024 Subaru Outback is a fantastic option. Known for its ruggedness, reliability, and standard all-wheel drive, the Outback is ready for adventure. The Outback isn't just about off-road capability. It also excels in comfort, safety, and ease of use. The seats are supportive and offer plenty of adjustments, ensuring a comfortable driving position. Visibility is excellent, with large windows and a high seating position providing great sight lines. The Outback is loaded with advanced safety features, including Subaru's EyeSight suite of driver assist technologies. This includes automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and lane keeping assist. The standard all-wheel drive system provides exceptional traction and stability in all weather conditions. Overall, the Subaru Outback is an excellent choice for seniors who prioritize safety, reliability, and all-weather capability. It's a versatile and practical SUV that can handle whatever life throws your way. Let's move on to the 2024 Ford Edge, a stylish and sophisticated SUV that offers a blend of comfort, technology, and safety features. The Edge is a great option for seniors who want more space and comfort than a compact SUV but don't need third-row seating. The Edge boasts a spacious and well-appointed interior with comfortable seating for 5 adults. The ride quality is smooth, providing a serene and composed driving experience. The cabin is well insulated from road and wind noise, creating a peaceful environment. The Ford Co-Pilot 360 suite of driver assist features is standard on all but the base model. This includes automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. For seniors with limited mobility, the available hands-free liftgate is a godsend. Overall, the Ford Edge is an excellent choice for seniors who prioritize safety, comfort, and advanced technology features. It's a stylish and sophisticated SUV that offers a premium driving experience without the premium price tag. Let's move on to our next SUV. Now, if you're looking for an SUV that offers a lot of bang for your buck, the 2024 Kia Sorento should be on your radar. The Sorento is known for its spacious interior, user-friendly technology, and impressive warranty coverage. It offers ample space for both passengers and cargo, with comfortable seating for up to 7 passengers. The controls are logically laid out and easy to reach, and the infotainment system is intuitive and responsive. The Sorento comes standard with a host of desirable features, including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and advanced safety technologies. Kia's DriveWise suite of driver assist features includes automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control. The Sorento is backed by Kia's industry-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Overall, the Kia Sorento is an excellent choice for seniors looking for a spacious, user-friendly, and value-packed SUV. Let's move on to our final SUV. Last but not least, we have the 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe, a strong contender in the mid-size SUV segment. The Santa Fe offers a blend of style, value, and senior-friendly features. It boasts a spacious and comfortable interior with high-quality materials and a user-friendly layout. The seats are supportive and offer plenty of adjustments, ensuring a comfortable ride. The higher seating position and wide-opening doors make it easy to get in and out. The Santa Fe's ride quality is smooth and composed, providing a refined driving experience. With its available all-wheel drive system, the Santa Fe offers confident handling in all weather conditions. Hyundai's SmartSense suite of driver assist technologies comes standard. This includes automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control. The Santa Fe is backed by Hyundai's impressive 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Overall, the Hyundai Santa Fe is an excellent choice for seniors looking for a stylish, comfortable, and well-rounded SUV. It's a great value for the money and a solid choice in the mid-size SUV segment. So there you have it, our top 6 SUV picks for seniors in 2024. From the spacious and reliable Toyota Highlander to the value-packed Kia Sorento and the stylish Hyundai Santa Fe, there's an SUV on this list for every need and budget. Remember to consider your individual needs and priorities when choosing a vehicle, and don't hesitate to test drive a few different models before making a decision. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more car reviews and comparisons. And be sure to let us know in the comments which SUV on this list is your favorite. Thanks for watching.